It's another Saturday and we got some help. Matt's here helping. We're priming some small pieces to go on our trail Jeep we're building. And Matt brought his beautifully restored CJ3A. Very cool. It's got the PTO in the back. Love the half cab. Looks like Dave just put some new dots on here. They were worn out. We added new ones on. Looks
new
good.
dots.
New dots.
New dotting.
Looks good.
Don't forget to dot your eye.
Oh, we just put 12-volt bulbs in the 6-volt socket. So we had that. Oh, it's inside. In this 12-volt
Cool.
instead of 6-volt.
Well, the past weekend, with the help of some friends, I gathered a bunch of small parts that I need to move forward. We sandblasted them, cleaned them up, repaired them as needed to make them serviceable, and we're ready to move forward to install some of these parts. I scavenged a pair of drive lines and removed the U-joints. I'm going to put all new U-joints in them. And I got the clutch shafts, clutch and brake shaft to put in, the clutch arm, brake arm. Just moving forward. Let's see how far we get today. Well, I'm not sure what they did for clutch and brake pedals before on this frame, but it's missing the shaft bracket. So I'm gonna have to weld in a plate in here, and then I can mount this up in there, which has to go in line with this for the clutch and brake pedals arms to swing on. Okay, I got this all clamped in. The thing's moving freely. So I need to just weld that in now. Okay, got it all welded in, and the shaft is nice and smooth and level. So I got this back piece in too. I'm gonna have to lower this cross member because it's a cross member for a T84, and this is a T90, so it's sitting up a little bit too high. So I'll make some little spacers in here and lower that a little bit. Or I could see if I could find a different cross member, but probably put the spacers in. Okay, so I did find a different cross member, and it's a repop, but I believe has the lower get for the T90, so we're gonna try that. Okay, I got my new cross member in. It's a repop one, but it's one that's meant for a T90. So it's got a little bit more of a droop than the ones that are made for the T84s. And I've got my brake line all in, and that's working good. Got my clutch working. I gotta do some adjustments. We'll go up on top and take a look. Okay, I got my pedals all in. Got my clutch fork in. So all seems to be working good. Need to do the final adjustments when I get the tub on and get the brakes all going and stuff. I tie a little string around the clutch fork so I don't lose it. So I'm gonna just I just gotta reach in there and cut that off, but nothing worse than dropping the clutch fork down at the bottom of the thing, then you gotta fish around for it. So you tie a little string onto it, and if you drop it, you could just pull it right up. And it's easy to cut the string off after you're done. Okay, well, I just need to finish up the front drive shaft, and then I think I'm gonna move on to the tub, putting the gauges in it and putting the wiring harness on it, because I'm almost ready to put the tub on.